The 2026 Honda Crosstour marks the return of one of Honda's most unique and versatile nameplates, blending the attributes of a sedan, SUV, and crossover into a single package designed for drivers who want practicality without sacrificing comfort and style. Once known for its distinctive fastback design, the Crosstour makes a bold comeback with a modernized approach, offering sharper aesthetics, advanced technology, and refined performance. This new generation has been engineered with the needs of today's buyers in mind: urban commuters, small families, and adventure seekers who require both daily usability and weekend flexibility. At first glance, the 2026 Crosstour immediately sets itself apart with a sleeker silhouette that combines coupe-like curves with crossover proportions. Its design is both sporty and sophisticated, with a bold front fascia showcasing Honda's updated grille design, slimmer LED headlights, and muscular wheel arches that emphasize its rugged versatility. The sloping roofline flows into a sculpted rear hatch, giving the Crosstour its signature fastback look while improving aerodynamics and efficiency. Larger wheels and more dynamic stance options further add to its presence, making it stand out among both crossovers and midsize sedans. Inside, Honda has reimagined the Crosstour's cabin with an emphasis on comfort, space, and technology. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and clever storage solutions highlight Honda's attention to detail, while a more spacious interior ensures passengers enjoy ample headroom and legroom despite the vehicle's sloping roofline. The rear seats fold flat, offering generous cargo space that rivals many SUVs, making the Crosstour an ideal companion for road trips, sports gear, or everyday errands. At the center of the dashboard sits Honda's latest infotainment system, featuring a large high-resolution touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, seamless smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates. Digital instrumentation and customizable driver displays enhance the futuristic feel, while options such as a panoramic sunroof and premium audio system cater to those seeking a more luxurious experience. Performance has always been an important part of the Crosstour's identity, and the 2026 model offers a refined balance of power and efficiency. Buyers can expect multiple powertrain options, including a responsive turbocharged 4-cylinder engine for efficiency-focused drivers, as well as a more powerful V6 for those seeking stronger acceleration and towing capability. In addition, Honda is introducing a hybrid variant of the Crosstour, combining fuel-saving benefits with smooth, quiet performance that will appeal to eco-conscious buyers. All-wheel drive is available for added confidence in challenging road conditions, while the suspension has been tuned to deliver both comfort and agility, making the Crosstour equally capable on city streets, highways, and light off-road trails. Safety and driver assistance remain a top priority for Honda, and the 2026 Crosstour comes standard with the latest Honda Sensing Suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic jam assist. With a stronger body structure and advanced collision protection systems, the Crosstour is engineered to deliver excellent safety ratings and peace of mind for families and solo drivers alike. In today's competitive market, the 2026 Honda Crosstour positions itself as a versatile alternative to traditional midsize SUVs and sedans. It offers the comfort and handling of a car, the practicality of a crossover, and the adventurous spirit of an SUV. Its distinctive design, modern technology, and range of powertrain options ensure that it appeals to a wide audience. Whether for daily commutes, family duties, or weekend getaways, the Crosstour is designed to adapt to a variety of lifestyles while maintaining Honda's reputation for reliability and long-term value. With its return, Honda revives a nameplate that was always ahead of its time and reintroduces it in a way that feels more relevant than ever in 2026.